all about Halloween today, y'all. We can't celebrate that holiday without something good to drink. Something a little different that we wouldn't have every day. But because we have our children and our grandchildren, we have to be responsible. So this is a neat little drink that doesn't require any alcohol. Unless you don't have any children or grandchildren to be responsible for, then I guess you could put some vodka in it, couldn't you?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's real easy to make.
You're gonna make it in the...
I've got a shaker that I'm gonna make it in, and then I'll pour the one drink into my glass. But we're gonna start with 3 ounces of apple cider. And you can see the apple cider is much richer looking than like apple juice.
Mm-hmm.
So that goes in first. And then we're gonna put in 5 ounces of lime juice. So when we drink it, our lips might go like this, you know? So 5 ounces of lime juice, and that's fresh lime juice that Teresa has squeezed every one of them for us. So thank you, Teresa. All right, and this is pear syrup. And we're using 0.75 ounces of pear syrup. And this is so delicious, y'all.
You can put as much or as little.
Yeah, as you want, because it's very sweet. So if you want it sweeter, and you're probably better off just ordering this from Amazon,
yeah,
right? Than trying to track it down and find it anywhere. All right, so in goes the pear syrup, and you can see that's a little thick. And then we're gonna put 2 dashes of bitters. But this is, that wouldn't be considered a dash, so I'm gonna do like 4 or 6 there. Maybe that would be equal to two dashes, you reckon? Because a dash would be...
Yeah.
Oh, I've got my little measuring spoons that have a dash on it.
They're over here.
They're right here, aren't they? A smidgen, a pinch, and a dash.
Wow.
So, according to that,
I wouldn't add too much of the bitters.
I'm gonna measure out what 6 drops would be.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, 8. So 6 was close, but 8 little drops would be a dash. Yes. Has to be perfect. All right, so we got our syrup, our bitters. Now we're gonna put in.
I'm sorry,
Yeah.
that's towards the back.
Huh?
That's towards the back. Those just go, I think those garnish.
Well, it doesn't say, Teresa.
You want a toothpick?
I don't know.
I think we garnish it on the top.
Okay, well, we can do that too. And it calls for a splash of tonic.
Do you have a measuring spoon for a splash?
A dash. A dash. That's a smidgen. Yeah, for the dash, we use that to... This
But
is
no
the
splash?
peach. No, I don't have a splash. So, would that be a splash?
That would be it.
Okay.
If you're
You see,
doing
I don't-
alcohol, it's a bigger splash.
Oh. Okay. All right, so that's everything. And Teresa said we're gonna use this for garnish, but you know what? I'm still gonna put a little bit in there just to shake with that ice to make it cold.
That was pears and apples.
Yes.
Nice
Oh,
stuff.
sorry, pears and apples, y'all. And Teresa has them sitting in some lemon water so they won't turn on you. So we're just gonna shake this up until it's real good and cold. And if you need more ice, you can go ahead and add ice in your glass. It feels very cold. It's very cold on my hands. So, look how pretty. You feel like you're having a festive drink. It's just a little bit different, but safe for you to tend to children and drive, you know? So, cheers to you. What did I tell you your lips were gonna do? Whoa! Come back here and taste this, Teresa.
Am I gonna?
Tastes like grapefruit.
Oh, does it?
Mm-hmm. Tastes like grapefruit juice.
I'd need more tonic.
You would?
And I'd put more pear syrup in it.
I think I definitely put more pear syrup in it. So obviously this is not my recipe.
This was
It
something
was
I
one-
picked out because I
Uh-huh.
like. It's called cider sangria.
Cider Sangria. So Teresa picked this out. I have never tasted it before, but it's interesting.
It's a tart. It's got
It
a
would
good
be a lot better with
a lot more pear.
let's see, what is it called for the syrup? 0.75 ounce. It would be better twice that.
2 ounces, and I would
1.5
say more, and I would say probably 3 splashes of tonic.
of this. Okay, so
Because that'll dilute it, and maybe not as much lime juice.
I don't know. I like the lime.
So you like the pucker?
Yeah, I think maybe because it reminds me of a margarita. You know, I do love the taste of a margarita. So I would almost say that I would rim this with a lime and put it in salt. And then put my drink in.
And I'd rim it and put sugar.
Mm-hmm. Either one.
Yeah. It's refreshing.
Uh-huh. It's so refreshing.
And if you don't want it as tart, you just tone down the lime juice.
But I kind of like it. Because I like tart stuff. Happy Halloween. Eddie would love this with a little vodka in it. Or gin. Yeah, you'd like it with gin in it. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.